Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech It's Simple. In today's video I'm going to guide you through how to download PayPal application on your Android phone. Keep watching the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you have not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to download PayPal application on your Android device, the first thing to make sure is to have a strong internet connection. Once you have it, go to your Play Store and tap it on Now from the Play Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in PayPal in the search box. On the next page, you should see a search results displayed on the screen. This one's the app that we are looking for. Now in order to download the application, tap on the Install button in green right beneath the application displayed. Wait until your application gets downloaded on your Android phone. With a PayPal account, you can make an online payment, send and receive money, or set up a merchant account easier, safer and faster. Once the application gets downloaded, wait until it gets installed on a device. Once it does, you'll be able to see an Open button popping up in the display. Tap it on No to launch the app open. That is how to be able to download the paper application on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.